black screen on Roblox can be frustrating, but several effective solutions can help resolve this issue. 1. Enable reduced motion. Launch Roblox and enter any game. Click the Roblox icon at the top left corner. Navigate to the Settings tab. Set Reduce Motion to On. Return to your game to see if it loads properly. Site Turn Search. 2. Lower graphics settings. Open Roblox and start a game. Click the Roblox icon at the top left corner. Go to the Settings tab. Change graphics mode to Manual. Reduce graphics quality by clicking the minus icon. Relaunch Roblox to check if the issue persists. Site Turn Search 3. Update graphics drivers Windows. Press Windows key and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics driver and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Site Turn Search 4. Clear Roblox cache, Windows. Press Windows key R, type Sent Local App Data Temp, and press Enter. Delete the Roblox folder. Mac, press Shift-Command-G, type /library caches, and press Enter. Delete the com.roblox.roblox folder. Android, long press the Roblox app icon and select App Info. Go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app, as iOS doesn't provide a direct cache clearing option. Site Turn Search 5. Reinstall Roblox. Windows, press Windows keys, type Roblox, and select Uninstall. Mac, open Finder, go to Applications, right-click Roblox, and select Move to Trash. Android, long press the Roblox app icon and select Uninstall. iPhone, long press the Roblox app icon, select Remove App, then tap Delete App. After uninstallation, download and install the latest version of Roblox from the official website or App Store. Site Search 6. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as connectivity issues can lead to a black screen. Site Turn Search 7. Disable conflicting programs. Close any unnecessary background applications that might interfere with Roblox's performance. Site Turn Search 2. If the problem persists after trying these steps, consider reaching out to Roblox support.helproblox.com for further assistance.